welcome to my show जिंदगी आपकी है.
Hi,
Hi, Naina. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Soumya?
Very good, very good.
You are so welcome to my show Zindagi Aapki Hai because women like you are the inspiration to the world. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you on your new cute baby, Biran.
Thank you, Naina. It's actually now been almost a year and a half.
Yes, yes.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
I am sure must be the wonderful phase of your life.
Absolutely. It's actually really, like I say, it's gift of God. And I definitely must have done some right things in my life to get this beautiful, precious gift from God.
Oh, that's so nice of you to say so. Soumya, you are one person who needs no introduction. From your famous character in Jab We Met, after that you have hosted like 14 seasons of live shows like Dance India Dance, Total Wipeout with SRK, the man himself. There's been Zor Ka Jhatka, so many TV serials, and last but not the least, Anita Bhabhi. Bhabhi ji ghar pe hai, the household name of Anita Bhabhi. I'm sure nobody can say that I don't know Anita Bhabhi. You have become one household name. So, Soumya, from then to now, how has the journey been?
It's crazy. I really feel like I have just begun.
Oh.
I just feel that there is so much more to do, and there are so many unfulfilled dreams. I just feel that it's been a very enriching journey, but I feel that I have a long way to go.
That is actually very true. You really have a long way to go, Soumya. But achieving so much in so less time is so inspiring. People are so braveling when they talk about their success stories, Soumya.
Right.
But failure being a part of life, nobody wants to discuss about their failure or rejections or something that they have gone in life like that. But I would like you to share some story and inspire our viewers.
I just like to say that when I came in this industry, and I was just in college, and I just got my pictures clicked, and I participated in Femina Cover Girl contest, which is where I became first runner-up in 2006. And then I just didn't know anybody in Bombay. I do remember that I called up my sister, and she told me that okay, I have somebody who had just spoken to her once, but she seemed like a very sweet girl, so you can just go to her house and stay for 2 days and just distribute your pictures in all the agencies. And that's what I did, and I got my modeling assignment, for which I traveled from Delhi to Bombay. And I had absolutely zero idea about the industry. I was not even that groomed when I came. I just kept learning on the way, and I just completely trusted my gut feeling. You will not believe it if I say that not a single time I got work when I asked for it. Work just
Is it?
Not even once. Not even for a small little ad assignment I ever got on a recommendation or by asking for work. It somehow just never works out in my life. I just always got work. And what is very good about me, I'm not trying to brag, but I'm a very critical person. So I kept on seeing myself on camera, and I realized, and I kept on feeling that, oh my God, I'm so bad. I have to improve myself. So every time my competition was just to become, better than what I was previously. I was always discontented. Even now when I see my scenes, I just say, oh God, what a terrible job have I done. I could have done this so much better. And I guess that is the only thing which makes me survive and go, the discontentment, and to be, to have this insatiable desire to just do better. And I have had lots of rejections. When you are an actor, you have to be very ready for rejections. You give 100 auditions, you might not pass 99 of them, but you just have to crack one. That's all that does. So 99 times you will fail, but it's only one time that you will pass, and you only need one time. So just don't stop at 99. Just keep trying. You never know, the 100th might be coming, which will be
just
the one
there.
to crack it.
Very true, Soumya. But this is like so inspiring that even after doing so much, you keep thinking that there is a scope for improvement, and which is one rare quality indeed. Uh, Soumya, I was searching about you, I was surfing about you, and I found one thing which really, came across my mind, that you opened up about the fact that discrimination, the color discrimination, is not limited to the brown people.
Yeah.
There are, being white or fair has got its own kind of discrimination. मैंने पढ़ा कि आपने कहा कि you had to give up on so many projects because people perceive कि Indian है तो brown होनी चाहिए. They see Indians as brown people. Though India is full of all colors of people, from white, fair, brown to black. But, people perceive that Indianness means brown. So tell us something, your take on it.
So
how have you experienced?
Yeah, stereotyping is such a big problem. I have lost on, my international auditions all the time because they just did not believe I was Indian. They only had the perception of Indian girl to be brown. This is what you're casting for. And they said, but you don't look Indian because Indian girls are supposed to be dark and brown. And I kept on telling them that, India is such a vast country. You have all kinds of complexion from dark to brown to wheatish to fair. We have north, south. You get every kind of person. But they just, would not believe, and they just kept on saying ki hamare jo films mein, how you see they always stereotype an Indian. That's the hello sir, that's the kind of they want the Indian to talk, and they want him to look brown. So I used to have such a huge problem. So it's not that India mein hi ye problem hai color ka, it's all over the world. And I also, I remember when I was doing I did my MBA actually. I was a very good student, and there were a lot of guys in my class, and I used to be quite a fighter. I used to work hard a lot. And then one guy came to me, he was in my group, and he was a guy from a business family, and he said, why do you itna mehnat kyun karti ho Soumya? मैंने कहा अरे मतलब why? I also want to get good grades, I also want to get plays, I also want a good job. He said, kya, don't tell me with that face and with those eyes are you going to work? You're going to just get married to a rich guy and you will have some crush and you will just enjoy in your...
Oh my God.
I looked at him, I said, what? He said, yeah, that's what pretty girls do. I said, listen. So you know what I mean? They always, if you
yes,
hear, oh,
totally.
Pretty girl. So she's like that one girl who just going to get married to a rich guy. Why do you have to work hard in life? So there are these stereotypes and perceptions we all deal with. You know what I mean?
Exactly. People don't want to go beyond face actually. You know, or they want to believe ki if and people can't take the idea of beauty with brains which you are. People don't want to accept that actually. India is one country जहाँ अगर आप खूबसूरत हैं, अगर आप सुंदर हैं, तो आपके पास दिमाग कैसे हो सकता है? और अगर आप पढ़ाकू हैं या intelligent हैं, then you might not be that beautiful. So people have these kind of perceptions which the new India, the new generation, you and I are breaking. Soumya, we all of us know that you have just left Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai. The character of Anita Bhabhi made you a household name. Gauri Mem is all that, everyone is such a fan of Gauri Mem. So taking such a bold decision at this point of time, taking such a big leap and a risk is obviously very inspiring. But do tell us, what are the kind of roles that you are looking forward to? And this one comes from a fan page of yours, which is Raj Fan. So, and a lot of fans of yours want to know what kind of roles are you looking forward to in future?
When you are a very hungry actor and when you are a thinking actor and when you are not just working for money or to be just seen on television every day or to have X number of, pictures to be clicked with fan, when you are so dedicated to your art, you can't just become one character in your career. I'm an actor, I'm not a character, So I want to be, so I want to be known with different kind of work that I do, so that at the end of my journey, when I have my body of work, I can say that I played Anita, then I played X and Y and Z, and I have a beautiful bouquet of work with me. So I feel that Anita was a beautifully written and executed part. I do want to explore many other characters like that. Unfortunately, on television we get very little opportunities because you have only a set audience to reach, and they have only a set kind of programs. Very few times do we get very good programs. I do definitely want to explore the digital space because there is a lot more realistic and interesting work that's happening there. I would like to explore a lot of new cinema space where good scripts are written, where it's not just about
Right.
a Bollywood A-lister or a superstar, but it's just about a beautiful story and different good actors and good actors.
Good actors.
Yeah, so that is the kind of work that I'm trying to explore because I don't want to stop at one character. There is a lot more in me that I want to showcase.
It's so true. That means that you want to grow as an actor. You don't want, you want people to see you in different roles, like different characters, and you don't want to stick to one Anita Bhabhi. It shouldn't be like 20 years down the line if someone sees you and then they are like, okay, she's Anita Bhabhi. They should be able to recognize, okay, she has done this, and that is Soumya Tandon. Which is actually worth taking risk for Soumya. It's so great and inspiring that you are taking such a bold leap. Soumya, I am sure you must be aware there is so much of buzz around this new thing, patriarchy, which has been existing for ages. हम सब patriarchy के बारे में इतना कुछ सुन रहे हैं, इतना support, इतना some people are against it. Soumya, what's your thoughts on patriarchy?
Patriarchy in regard to a particular case that's happening or in general? I mean, I just want to know that. In general?
In general?
In general, okay. Well, I definitely think that patriarchy is something that we are dealing with, especially in a country like India, where all the decisions and everything that happens, like being in a male-dominated society and a male-dominated house. In the sense that, for example, I'll give you a small instance that
Go
if you
ahead.
are a bahu, even though you are working, you are still expected to do a certain amount of work in the house, and the man is still supposed to be at home, like rest after work.
True.
So if a husband and a wife both work, the wife will come back, leave her bag, and do all the housework, go directly to the kitchen. But the man will come back, he will just, switch the TV on or read the newspaper. That's patriarchy.
Right.
While you say that a man and a woman are, equal and they, work side to side, why can't a man also give a helping hand to the women in the kitchen? Or why can't a man change the diapers? If a woman can earn, if a woman can just go out and face the world, so can a man come in the kitchen and, give her a helping hand. But the in-laws, the family, the husband, they will only expect the woman to do both. In fact,
Right.
I was just reading an article that because of the lockdown, the divorce cases have gone up by 20-25% in Mumbai. And so many women on social media just say that, we didn't have help in the house because we had to let go of the help, didn't allow the outside help to come. The husbands are working. We also have to work for our office, but the husbands don't do any kind of household work.
No, that's not their job. I mean, they have been
Yeah.
trained that way कि ये आपका काम नहीं है.
That's
They
because
have
the
to-
mothers don't teach them. So we
Exactly.
as a woman, when I always say that we should train our sons to be the husbands we want.
So
Yeah.
even viewers want to see their women like that. They want to see women being stereotypical, being that good bahu sitting at home making roti and not, leaving her education and work behind. So कहीं ना कहीं even in general we are also responsible. हम वो देखते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं, शायद इसीलिए वो ये दिखाते हैं. जब viewership change होगी, mentality change होगी, then they will have to change as well. So it's a circle, nothing happens with one hand. You need both the hands to clap. So maybe it's a circle which is moving in that way.
Yeah.
But it's good that we are talking about such topics and a lot of viewers are coming to know about this. Soumya, now let's go a little lighter on note. It has become, these topics, and we women, we can just keep on talking like that. But now let me ask, a lot of people are Soumya's fan, but Soumya is a fan of. Who are you inspired by, Soumya?
I'm hugely inspired by Oprah Winfrey.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, I have been an anchor myself. I was the first quiz master of, I did quizzing for the first time with Derek O'Brien. I have done so many shows. I have hosted so many shows, but I have been an ardent admirer of Oprah Winfrey. There's not a single speech of Oprah Winfrey on internet which I haven't heard of. There's this one small show that she used to do. She does this Super Soul Sundays. I have watched probably thousands and hundreds and thousands of episodes of it. I'm very deeply inspired by her. What I like about her anchoring is that she just doesn't talk. She talks with a lot of soul talking. So I feel
Yes.
that it's very rare, and I quite admire her.
She is indeed a woman of substance. That's what you would say. She is actually an inspiration. Soumya, when we are talking about all this, you have accomplished so much in life. So I will not say what is your success mantra, but I would rather say what are your beliefs that have, helped you come here? आपकी ऐसी क्या सोच है, आपकी बिलीफ सिस्टम है आपका, जो आप इतनी छोटे शहर से निकलकर आज इस मुकाम तक पहुंच गए? What are the codes that you live by?
I just remember that when I was a kid, I didn't do very well in my exams, and my father just wrote a small quote on a piece of paper, and he hung it in front of my, in front of my desk, which said that true magnanimity lies not in never falling, but rising every time you fall. Naina, I want to tell you that, there are a lot of people who come in my industry, they get a little bit of success and they get a little bit of money and their head goes haywire.
Right.
What keeps
Must
you
be.
grounded? Like, I just want to give you an example of, there's no one like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan who has seen more than 5 decades of success, and he still is so rooted and grounded. That's because of the upbringing that he's had, the kind of background he's had with Mr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan being his father. So if you are not rooted, if your upbringing is not strong, this industry and this place can actually kill you and make you haywire. That is the reason why a lot of people who come in this industry are not able to hold themselves well. So I give full credit to my upbringing. I'm very rooted. It doesn't really matter where I reach. I know where I'm standing.
That's so nice, Soumya. Actually, this is true that, a lot of people cannot handle success if you haven't got that kind of upbringing.
Yes.
Very true. Soumya, now let's begin with the amazing part of this show, which is the game. It is Speed or Fire. Here, I will throw a question on you. You don't get any time to think about it. You have to answer it very fast. And if you answer all the questions quite well, you get a hamper and lots of virtual love. Yes, you do. So let's begin, Soumya. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So first question is, what is Soumya's fitness mantra?
Everything in moderation. Nothing in extreme.
Everything in moderation. Great. The second one being, one quality of yours that you want Miran to definitely have, and one bad habit in you that you don't want Miran to have. One quality of yours, one bad habit. Yes.
I'm very compassionate. I really hope and wish that my son grows to be very compassionate. And one negative quality I would want him to be more positive and confident.
Okay, great. That's a great answer, Soumya. So Soumya is a foodaholic, she's a workaholic.
Workaholic.
Workaholic. Soumya, what do you think is that one thing in you which makes you different from others?
I have a very soft heart with a strong mind.
Oh, wow. That's a beautiful answer. As beautiful as you, Soumya. Okay, Soumya, your favorite travel destination?
Yet to find. There is the world that I need to travel. I mean, I want to travel so many places, but at this particular point in time, maybe London, because a part of my family is there, my sister and my niece and nephew, so maybe London.
London, okay. 3 people in your life you can't do without.
Can I make it 6? I can't do it, just 3.
Oh no, you can't do that. You have to select 3 and the other 3 are listening. Which are the 3 you are placing first? So So tell us the 3 people in your life you can't do without.
I can't definitely do without my my mother, my husband, and my baby.
Okay. Okay. And 3 things that you can't do without.
3 things. I mean, what are the things? Okay, things as in material things or
Material things. Yeah. No, material things.
material things. Maybe money.
Okay.
Oh God, I haven't thought about it. Money, my phone, and my house. You could think
Oh,
of-
Soumya, I am rather happy that you weren't quite fast to answer this one. वरना जनरली लोग बड़ी आसानी से बड़ी जल्दी से कह देते हैं I can't do without my cell phone. Yeah, I can't do without my cell phone. So I'm glad cell phone wasn't in your list. Okay. Soumya, tell us, which is your favorite accessory? What is the favorite accessory?
Smile. A smile is something which can overcome anything.
Right.
Just enter
your-
a bad interview with a smile. If you goof up, smile. If you made a snide comment, just smile. If you want to impress someone, just smile.
Oh, that's viewers. See, this is Soumya's secret. Okay, she has revealed it's a smile which she uses as a best accessory. So yeah, we are going to use that. Soumya, tell me, which is your favorite makeup brand?
Oh, actually, I quite like Charlotte Tilbury.
Okay.
And
Soumya,
I want to just add that I really insist and I vouch and vote and always keep people telling to you go for cruelty-free makeup, guys. Whenever you're buying makeup, please check on the label if it's cruelty-free. We have to root for fashion with passion. So, do that.
that's actually a good suggestion. Okay, Soumya, tell us, you have accomplished so much in life, but are there any ultimate dreams or ultimate goals?
There are lots and lots and lots of dreams. I mean, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम
आहा।
बहुत निकले मेरे अरमा लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले. There are so many.
Adab. Okay, what is Soumya's weirdest fantasy?
You will really laugh at it. I don't want to tell you. my
You
weirdest,
have to chuck upon.
my weirdest fantasy is to be a great gambler.
Great gambler?
Yeah, it's crazy. I just have this freaking fantasy to be able to just go on a table and just on Flash or any table, just be able to be like that one gambler which we see in Hollywood movies and just there and just win everything on the table and just come back home.
Oh, those fancy ones with the blue gowns and the big hairdos and
Yeah.
okay, 24. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
and then big ring and those fancy nail paint.
Very true. Soumya, has there been any fashion statement or trend that you have followed and now you regret doing it or has been so weird about that fashion trend?
Yeah, I have made so many faux pas. My God, I've been so crazily. I've only learned on my job. When I came in this industry, I was doing something on television. They were very scared of my fair skin. I was very fair, even
Okay.
fairer than actually. And then they used to tell me that you have to paint your face a little brown because when you are so fair, you will burn out on camera. So I used to paint myself 3-4 colors darker. Like the
Are
makeup
you
artist used to
serious?
the makeup artist used to make me very, very tan. They used to say that in lights you look better. And now when I look back in my old shows, I just wonder what the hell was I thinking to accept this? I look like a clown. So I just feel that you should just stay close to your color, maybe slightly warm, but don't go that warm. But that's one fashion faux pas I regret badly.
Oh God, I mean ये क्या है यार? काली हो तो प्रॉब्लम है, गोरी हो तो प्रॉब्लम है.
सब में प्रॉब्लम है इन लोगों को.
सब
लंबी हो तो
people-
प्रॉब्लम है, मोटी हो तो प्रॉब्लम है, छोटी हो
Oh
तो
God,
प्रॉब्लम है,
मतलब-
लंबी हो तो प्रॉब्लम है.
तो प्रॉब्लम है. Why can't people accept the naturality? भगवान ने जैसा बनाया है वैसे accept करो. I mean, this is something. Okay, Soumya, this is the most important one. You get those cups जिसमें लिखा होता है happiness is. So what is that happiness is for Soumya Tandon?
Happiness is in now. In
In
the
now.
moment.
In the
Not in the
moment. That
past,
is a
not in the
beautiful
future,
one.
just in this moment. Just make the best of it and just find happiness in this moment.
Wow, Soumya, it is such a beautiful answer, and it was so beautiful talking to you about so many topics, and this proves that yes, indeed, you are a beauty with brain.
Thank you, Naina. I really want to tell you that, the questions that you asked me were one of the best questions lately anybody has
Thank
asked.
you.
And it really shows that you have so much depth in you. And it really, I can just guess that it's coming from a motivational speaker, from you, only such questions could have come. Otherwise, usually when we are asked for interviews and when somebody talks to us, it's not that, it's very shallow, upar upar se hai. So, Naina, you speak so beautifully and so well. What would you like to tell everybody who's joined us today? There are so many of my beautiful fan club there. I
Right.
want to say hi to everybody. We couldn't say hello to them. But do you want to say something to them? Any message that you would want to give to everybody who's joined us today?
First of all, thank you, Soumya, for giving me this opportunity to, you really have a huge fan following, and I am getting to give a message to your fans, which is like, it's actually an honor. Uh, Soumya, I really want to say something getting inspired from your journey. I really want to tell all the people who are listening to us right now कि आप सौम्या को देखिए करियर के इस पॉइंट पे जहाँ अनीता भाभी का रोल इज अ हाउस होल्ड नेम, भाभी जी घर पे है इज अ हाउस होल्ड नेम, एंड for the growth she has taken such a bold decision of leaving this role and walking further towards her journey. तो जिंदगी में रिस्क लेना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपको ग्रोथ चाहिए, अगर आपको चाहिए कि आप नए मुकाम हासिल करें, ऊंचाइयां छुएं, तो आपको रिस्क तो लेना ही होगा. अगर आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन में, अपने कुकून में बंद रहेंगे और सोचेंगे हम आगे निकल जाएं दूसरों से, it's not possible. To reach anywhere in life, to achieve heights, one needs to take risks. So get inspired by my guest Soumya Tandon over here and take huge risk in life. And I wish you, Soumya, all the success in life. And may this decision of yours, turns out to be very fruitful. And we meet again on another season of Zindagi Aapki Hai, discussing this thing कि आज आपने जो रिस्क लिया उसका आपको ये फल मिला है. और मैं सबसे यही कहना चाहूंगी कि जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए अपने कंफर्ट से बाहर आइए और रिस्क लीजिए.
Thank you, Naina. Thank you. Thank you so much for articulating it so beautifully. No wonder you are a motivational speaker. Very, very. I'm actually also very inspired because you actually articulated and just worded it so nicely. Whatever was in my heart and in my thoughts. Thank you, and
Thank
a
you
huge,
so
huge
much.
hug. And I'm very sure that your inspiration, your positivity is going to reach way more people now.
Thank you so much, Soumya, for your kind words. And at the end, I must add that you have yourself been host to so many live shows. So this episode wasn't from a host to a guest, but from a host to a host where two strong-footed women were discussing things rather than being an interview. So thank you, Soumya, for joining us here, and all the very best to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Naina, can I just take a few moments to just say hi to a lot of people who have joined us?
Definitely, go ahead. They must be very
Julie
happy.
Singh, Sanjay, Dave, Yash, Soni, Mihira Kaul, Yansh, Nishant, P. Malhotra, Pooja, Shivam Raj, Pink, perfect, Sania, Raj Malhotra, Soumya Tandon Beauty Queen, Anu Baby 51, Mr. Meet, Soumya _ fan page, Soumya Tandon _ fan page, Soumya's fan _ fan page, Aniket, that is Ashwini, Bhati Ravindra. Love you all. I'm so sorry I can't take everybody's name, otherwise everybody is going to just say that. Soumya's _ fan _ Soumya, Uma, Zahid, Tyra, Alvina, Thank you so much for joining, and lots and lots and lots of love. And thank you always for sending me love and positivity. This is what keeps me going. Thank you. And a huge hug, Naina. Huge hug.
Huge hug to you too, Soumya. Thank you for being here.